This video is going to show you how to submit assignments to Schoology directly from your Chromebook. So this would be different than using Kami, or if it was a Google assignment where you just had to click on it, it opened in Google and you hit submit. This is if you need to submit a photo or a PDF out of your Chromebook files. So if you need to do this, you would start at the assignment that your teacher gave you. So we're going to open up an assignment that has us practicing the submission from our Chromebook. When I open up the assignment, this one doesn't have any PDFs or anything. It doesn't tell me to open with Kami, and it doesn't tell me to click on anything that'll connect me to Google. What it wants me to do is simply submit something from my Chromebook. So I go over to Submit Assignment, and I have a couple of options. Here under Upload, I can select a file from my Chromebook. So when I click on that, it would bring up your Chromebook files here, and then it would be a matter of choosing whatever you want to submit, whether it's a PDF or an image. When you click on Open, it's going to upload whatever it was that you attached, and then you just click Submit. Your submission will pop up on the right side, and you can even click on it to make sure it was the right item. So here I can see what it was that I submitted. In this case, it was a photo. Another thing that you can do, so I'm going to hit resubmit, so it's going to let me submit something else, is if you don't need necessarily a file off of your Chromebook, you could do create. Create is just going to open a blank document that you can type into, and then whatever you type in this document will be submitted directly to Schoology. So there we go. I've simply typed into the create box and I've submitted that. So when the teacher opens it up, they'll download the file and they'll be able to see exactly what I wrote. Here's another option. There is an audio and video recording option. So if I click on this, I can record my voice and submit it, or I can record my voice and a recording and submit it if I have a camera like your Chromebooks do. These are all things that you can submit not using Kami or your Google Drive, just out of your Chromebook files or even right here in Schoology. Now, if you need to submit a link to something, you could copy and paste the link into the Create option, and then that link would show up for Mrs. Borkerding or your teacher as well. Now that I have submitted something, if I go into my grades and I look here, so Chromebook submission practice, this little document right here, this looks like a piece of paper. This is how I know that I have in fact submitted something to the assignment. If this is not here, that means my submission has not been made yet. If you have any other questions about submitting to Schoology directly from your Chromebook, make sure you contact your teacher.